In this video, we listed the 5 best Epson photo printer that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Epson SureColor P900. The Epson P900 is a high-quality inkjet printer designed for professional use, featuring advanced wireless connectivity and a range of innovative technologies to ensure exceptional image quality. Equipped with Epson's new Ultrachrome Pro10 ink, which includes a violet ink for a broader color gamut, this printer delivers vibrant and rich colors without the hassle of switching between photo and matte black inks, thanks to dedicated nozzles for both. Its 10-channel micro-piezo AMC printhead allows for consistent speed, accuracy, and print quality. Users can easily print from iOS devices through a user-friendly interface. The printer also boasts the new carbon black driver technology, enhancing black density for glossy prints. Designed for versatility, it accommodates various media types, including rolls and thicker sheet papers, while its 4.3-inch customizable touchscreen and interior LED light enhance user experience. Weighing 35.3 pounds and offering a maximum print speed of 1 ppm for both color and monochrome outputs, the P900 is a robust choice for professionals seeking top-notch performance and ease of use. Number 2. Epson EcoTank Photo ET-8550. The Epson EcoTank Photo ET-8550 is a versatile and innovative wireless inkjet printer designed for high-quality photo and document printing. Featuring cartridge-free technology, it utilizes Claria ET Premium 6-color inks to produce vibrant colors and sharp text, capable of printing a 4-inch by 6-inch photo in as little as 15 seconds. This printer supports a variety of media types, including borderless printing up to 13 inches by 19 inches and auto-duplexing for efficient double-sided printing. The EcoTank ET-8550 offers significant cost savings, allowing users to print photos for about 4 cents each compared to traditional cartridges, and features a low-cost replacement ink system that can reduce ink costs by up to 80%. Additionally, the printer incorporates an auto-document feeder, a touch display, and mobile device compatibility through the Epson Smart Panel app, allowing efficient operation and management from smartphones. With a 2-year limited warranty and more sustainable practices such as zero cartridge waste, the ET-8550 is ideal for creative projects and professional quality prints. Number 3. Epson XP-15000. The Epson Expression Photo HD XP-15000 is a versatile and ultra-compact wide-format inkjet printer designed for professional quality photo prints, capable of producing borderless images up to 13 by 19 inches. This black printer features both wired and wireless connectivity options and boasts impressive printing speeds of up to 20 pages per minute for color and monochrome outputs. Equipped with an advanced 6-color Claria Photo HD ink system, including unique red and gray inks, it offers an expanded color gamut ideal for vibrant images and enhanced black and white prints. The printer facilitates convenient auto-duplex printing and includes a 200-sheet front tray, along with a 50-sheet rear tray to accommodate various specialty media and thicknesses. Notably, the XP-15000 supports dash replenishment, automatically tracking ink levels and reordering supplies when running low. Though exclusively designed to work with Epson genuine cartridges to prevent potential damage, its compact size makes it suitable for desktop use, appealing to photographers and creatives alike. The package includes the printer, setup CD-ROM, power cord, multiple ink cartridges, and a cleaning sheet. Number 4. Epson XP-7100. The Epson XP-7100 is a versatile wireless inkjet printer designed for home productivity and creative printing needs. With a sleek black design, it boasts advanced features such as two-sided printing, an auto-document feeder that accommodates up to 30 pages, and a user-friendly 4.3-inch touchscreen for easy navigation. Capable of producing high-quality color prints and sharp text, it supports specialty paper and DVD printing, as well as borderless photo printing up to 8 by 10 inches. The printer operates at a maximum speed of 15.8 pages per minute for monochrome prints, ensuring efficiency. It's important to note that the Epson printing system is optimized for use with genuine Epson cartridges, as using non-genuine ink may lead to unintentional damage not covered by warranty. Weighing 21.5 pounds, the XP-7100 is a sleek yet functional addition to any home office or creative space. Number 5. Epson EcoTank ET-2800. The Epson ET-2800 is a versatile, eco-friendly inkjet printer designed for both wired and wireless connectivity, featuring innovative cartridge-free printing through its high-capacity refillable ink tanks. This model stands out with its eco-fit ink bottles, allowing users to enjoy up to 90% savings on replacement ink, enabling the printing of approximately 4,500 black and 7,500 color pages, equivalent to the output of 90 conventional ink cartridges. Offering impressive print quality utilizing micro-piezo heat-free technology, the ET-2800 delivers sharp text and vibrant color graphics, making it suitable for various paper types. With the added convenience of a built-in high-resolution scanner and copier, as well as a user-friendly color display, this printer is designed for reliability and ease of use. Additionally, it is backed by a worry-free 2-year limited warranty upon registration, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to reduce ink costs while minimizing cartridge waste.